friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. This is the first video of the JavaScript playlist. We'll learn from beginner to advanced level JavaScript concept from this JavaScript playlist. In this video, we'll discuss about the basics of JavaScript, and here we'll skip its history and directly we'll jump into what is the client-side scripting language, why we learn the JavaScript and benefits of the JavaScript. So JavaScript is a scripting language. So basically there are two web-based scripting language. One is server-side scripting and another is client-side scripting. Here you can see both the server-side scripting and the client-side scripting both look same, but there are some major difference between these two. So let's understand what is server-side scripting and client-side scripting. Okay, the execution of client's request on the server is said to be server-side scripting. So here, if a user send a request through the client or through the browser to the server, then server do some processing or do some execution using any of these or another server-side languages like PHP, Node.js, C#, Ruby, Python. So these are the server-side languages. So if a user send a request through this browser to the server, then server do the processing and then the server send the response to the client. Okay, so this is how the server-side scripting or programming language works. So all the functionalities are maintained by the server side. A user cannot see the server side from the client side. Okay, a user only can see the response from the server side. So the main thing is when a client requests for some data, then the server do some processing and only send data to the user which was requested. Now what is the client-side scripting? The client-side scripting is the execution of several requests on the client side is said to be client-side scripting. That means a user send a request through the client or through the browser to the server, and server do some functionalities and give some response to the client. So the difference between the server side and the client side scripting is that we use the scripting language like JavaScript in the client side, and JavaScript is a event-based programming language. Event-based means in a website you can see there you can click or double click or right click or mouse hover. These are all the event occurred by the JavaScript. Okay, and for the response, a user don't have to wait too much. A user can get the first response through the client-side scripting. And JavaScript is a user interactive and fast. So almost 98% of the website uses JavaScript. So the main benefits of using the JavaScript is that we can build a web application or desktop application or mobile application using JavaScript libraries, JavaScript frameworks. So in the next video, we'll see how to execute our first JavaScript program in a very simple way. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Input Output Campus. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.